If you're only selling window cleaning, you're losing thousands of dollars every single day. Here are 5 upsells that no one talks about that turn $500 customer into at least $5,000 customers the same day. Number 5 is solar panel cleaning. This is literally the easiest upsell for any window cleaner because you already have all the equipment, which is water-fed pole and DI tank. And solar panels get dusty and dirty panels produce less energy, and homeowners know this. The average solar cleaning is $150 to $350 per house and takes maybe 15 to 25 minutes. Number 4 is gutter cleaning. All you need is the same ladder you already use for window cleaning, and gutter cleaning is usually from $150 to $400, and you already at the house, you already have the ladder added. It fills slow months instantly. Number 3 is upsells that literally nobody talks about, and it is gutter guards. Not the cheap junk from Home Depot, but actually high-end stainless steel micromesh system that literally blocks everything: leaves, pine needles, maple seeds, all of it. And here's the recent jobs that we did using it. And here's the crazy part. We charge around $19 per foot, and 1 foot of the gutter guards only costs $3 to $6 max. That means your margins are insane, and honestly that's some of the highest margin work you can do as a window cleaner. For example, let's take 200 feet perimeter house, and that's $4,000 per job. But here's why customers say yes instantly. We give a lifetime no-clog warranty. If their gutters ever get clogged again, we come back for free. And that means they never have to pay for gutter cleaning ever again. And this is premium solution that you can install and add every single day. Upsell number 2 is screen cleaning, and it is the easiest micro upsells that we usually book over 80% of the job with. $3 per $5 per screen, and customers always say yes because dirty screens make windows look even dirtier. And if a house has 20 screens, that's instantly another $60 to $100. And again, you can use the same tools you already have. And the number 1 upsell, which is my personal favorite, is Christmas lights. This service alone can give you over $120,000 in revenue this December. How? Each job starts around $2,000 because roof lines are usually 200 feet. Here's your $120,000 month. And here's the best part. You own the lights. The customer is basically leasing your setup. So every December they call you back. You reinstall the same custom cut roof line for the best price, meaning you have recurring revenue every single year. Window cleaning is just the door opener. The real money is in the upsells, and all of this use the same tools, the same customers, and the same time block you already there. Even adding just 2 of these will double your average ticket.